Hey, it's Kelly from MXHideout. If you need to change the air filter on your YZ250 or 250X 2-stroke and just want a simple, practical, to-the-point video, you're in the right place. We just need to remove these two 10mm bolts for the seat. And then lift up on the rear and pull it back. Get the seat off. Got the dirty air filter here. It has a little wing nut. You can just turn that loose with your hands and pull the whole air filter and cage out. And you could clean the air filter if it's still in good shape, but I prefer to just replace it since it's easier. And here's a good example of when you need to replace a filter. This thing is absolutely falling apart. Who knows how old it is. Look at that. That's terrible. This is just falling apart as I just pull it out. So we'll take this, pull all that foam off of the filter cage, and make sure you get all of this foam off here. And this surface right here is important because that's the sealing surface. So if there's junk on it, old foam, dirt, it's not going to seal properly, and air can get sucked in around the perimeter of the air filter. So you need to get this surface clean all the way around in here. You can clean it with soap and water, or just get some brake clean and just wipe it out with a rag. Got to be careful because you don't want to drop the junk in the air boot here so it doesn't get sucked into the carb. Now that I got most of the junk off of this filter cage, it's time to get a new filter on. And I'm using a pre-oiled filter, so I don't have to do with oiling it. But if you are oiling your own filter, then you would just want to make sure that you get the foam fully saturated inside and out, and then just be able to gently squeeze out any excess oil. So you just need to line up this pin here with this hole there. Make sure that this goes through the main hole and wrap it all the way around. And let me guys know in the comments below what you do for around the rim, because I feel like most people, including myself, at least I used to, put grease around the rim to help seal it. But I recently saw a video from Jay Clark, Dirt Bike TV, saying that he doesn't, because that can actually collect more dust and dirt and get it sucked in. So let me know in the comments below what you guys do with or without grease around the rim. Then when you're putting it in the bike, just pay attention to the shape of it here. It's kind of got two straights right here, and that'll be on the left side here of the air box. And plus this pin here should also locate right here. So when you're putting it, oh, we need the bolt for it as well. Can put that in. I like to get it started with the threads of the bolt. I can feel it threading in, and then I just like to rotate the filter cage, make sure it doesn't go anywhere, because if the filter cage, if it spins, rotates on there, that means it's not properly seated in that pinhole. But this isn't moving, so you can tighten this bolt with this wing nut all the way in. Just get it snug with your two fingers, and we can slide the seat back on. Make sure this slides into here, or this slides into here I should say. So I like to push it down and then forward, and then just line up these mounts. Then grab your 10mm bolts, make sure the side panel and the seat line up with the bolt mount. Easy as that. Now you're ready to ride with a fresh air filter. And if you want to learn how to tune your YZ250 2-stroke carburetor so that it starts in one kick, idles properly, runs great with good power, better reliability, make sure to subscribe or check out my other videos, or download my free air screw tuning guide. You can learn how to do it in just a few minutes. I'm Kelly from MXHideout. Ride safe, have fun.